Hello guys, Warley here from Tech, and today we will be reviewing the M2 wireless gaming mouse from Gravastar. This gaming mouse has a 26,000 dpi, 1 kHz polling rate, and a PA3395W sensor or PAW3395 sensor, which is one of the best sensors in the market right now. But is it good for gaming and as a daily driver? Let's find out. This video is sponsored by Loop Alloy. Si Loop Alloy ay isa sa kilalang brand pagdating sa mga monitor mount, laptop mount, standing desk at server solutions. Pero mas kilala si Loop Alloy dahil sa mga quality pero affordable na monitor mount. And tried and tested ko na rin yan dahil halos 4 years ko na rin gamit yung mga products nila. So kung interested kayo sa mga products ni Loop Alloy, check nyo lang yung links sa description down below. So the Gravastar M2 is an $80 gaming mouse that you can buy on their website or on Amazon. By the way, Gravastar is kind enough to provide us a 20% discount on their website if you use my code WMD20. So make sure to hop on their website and use the discount code to save money. The packaging of the Gravastar is nice. All the details are at the back and the design gives you this alien theme tech. In the box, you will immediately see the Gravastar Mercury M2 wireless gaming mouse. Below that is the 1K USB receiver as is stated by Gravastar. We also have a USB-A to C adapter, a paracord cable, a user manual, and you also have a set of anti-slip stickers, which is nice, and another set of foot pads and a microfiber cloth so you can clean the surface of the mouse before installing any pads or stickers. Back to the Gravastar M2, let's discuss the key specs and features of this gaming mouse first. This mouse features one of the best sensors that you can get, as I mentioned earlier, which is the PAW3395 sensor. It also features a tri-mode connection, which is wired, wireless, and Bluetooth. It also has a kill switch with 80 million clicks of lifespan on both left and right buttons. It also has a software that allows you to customize 5 programmable buttons and the glow-sync RGB technology from Gravastar. One key note about its features: for the Mac users or Mac OS users, this mouse only allows Bluetooth connection and not the USB wireless connection. So you won't be able to use the USB wireless receiver on a Mac OS. Now for the quality of the M2 wireless gaming mouse, it has a premium build quality and does not feel cheap on your hands. The hollowed out frame is made from PVC, featuring an ergonomic design for better comfort. The grip of this mouse is around 5.7 cm. It also has a 12 cm from front to rear and 3.9 cm in height. The weight came around 80 grams, which is a bit heavy compared to most wireless gaming mice in market right now. It seems like Gravastar focused on the design for me, making the gaming mouse cool over functionality, as it doesn't give any great user experience in my opinion. It feels slim in your hands, it doesn't give you comfort on your thumb and pinky, and the bump in the top part of the shell is a little bit low and makes the handling move forward a little bit, which makes it a bit hard to use in long gaming sessions. I've been using this gaming mouse for my work and gaming sessions every day, mostly 12 to 16 hours, and this is what I've experienced over the past month. I've reviewed many gaming mouse and most of them are battling about the weight, ranging from 60 grams to 70 grams to make the gaming experience more competitive. Don't get me wrong, 80 grams is still good compared to what we had way back. But if we're to compare it with the current wireless gaming mouse, the 10 grams difference is a lot, especially if you are a competitive gamer or even a casual gamer that's looking for a lightweight gaming mouse. I'm saying this because the design of making holes in the shell of the mouse is to make it light. So if they did a design and added another shell inside, so what's the point? of having holes in the mouse. So I think the whole point of this is just to make the mouse cooler, on my opinion, and nothing else. Especially on how they added an RGB inside it, making it like an cool alien-like design. Which I admit, if you are into RGB and cool designs, it's awesome to have it on your desk setup. Now for the performance of this gaming mouse, I've tested it for a couple of months daily to make myself familiar and comfortable with it, because I am using a 69 grams gaming mouse, which I don't want to give a biased opinion because I'm using a lighter mouse compared to the Gravastar M2. When it comes to its performance, it's performing as it should be, regardless of its weight or shape. It's very responsive, snappy, and I didn't encounter any kind of latency issues when using the mouse in Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz mode. In regular day-to-day use, using different modes won't give you any kind of issues. In gaming, of course, latency or any kind of delays matters most, especially if you are a competitive gamer. But the M2 wireless is flawless and didn't have any kind of issue when it comes to its connection. Whether you're gliding too fast, doing some flick shots, or you are a high DPI or low DPI users, any kind of style based on my experience is applicable to the Gravastar M2 wireless gaming mouse. Battery, on the other hand, is superb to me. While using this mouse for many months, I only charge it once a week of regular use on my work and some gaming on the side. And it has an idle mode where the mouse saves battery by turning off itself. Lastly, for the software, what I worry about is the my PC keeps saying that the file is unverified and isn't safe. You will be able to download the software via Google Drive, but it isn't scanned. So it's giving you all the security notices from Drive, browser, and even Windows, which is a bit concerning or bad. After downloading the software, it will automatically detect what kind of mouse you are using. In the software, you will get this custom design software with 5 different tabs to customize your mouse. The home tab lets you customize the buttons. The second tab lets you customize the DPI and set different colors. The third tab is the macro customization. And the fourth tab is the RGB lighting option. And the last tab is the setting and information about the mouse. You will be able to see the battery life of the mouse as well in the top right corner of the app. The software is easy to use but a bit simple for me. It's nothing complicated and easy to navigate. Now for the final part of our video, is the $80 price tag worth it in terms of overall performance and design for the Gravastar M2 wireless gaming mouse? Unfortunately, no, because there are a ton of competitors in this price range that you can choose from, so it's really hard for me to recommend the M2 wireless gaming mouse. But if you manage to buy this at around 50 bucks using my discount code and the Gravastar sale, then this mouse is a steal. I think the main selling point of this gaming mouse is its sensor and premium looking unique design. The quality isn't cheap, the design is on point, and you have other cool looking design options on their website as well. Weight may be a major drawback for this mouse. As I mentioned, the whole point of having holes in the shell of the mouse is to make it light. So having it at around 80 grams may be a deal breaker to other people. Another major issue for me is the software. Having an unverified software might throw off other people from buying it or maybe from downloading the software as well. Other than that, I didn't encounter any kind of issues while using this mouse. Performance, quality, the design are great, and I highly recommend this product if you are into this kind of design and you don't mind having an 80-gram mouse or maybe the price tag of $80. It will be a solid option for people who are looking for a unique gaming mouse. And that's it for our review of the Gravastar M2 wireless gaming mouse. Don't forget to use our discount code WMD20 if you want to save money, and make sure to share your experience or opinion as well about this gaming mouse, and see you in the next video. Bye.